Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of festive decorations with a special focus on the Syhood 50 Pcs Marigold flower heads. These aren't just any artificial flowers. They're touted as the best fake marigolds on the market. Let's find out if they live up to the hype. These marigold flower heads come in a pack of 50, each meticulously crafted to resemble the vibrant hues of real marigolds. They're perfect for adding a touch of elegance and festivity to any occasion. Whether it's a Mexican-themed party, Dia de los Muertos celebration, or simply sprucing up your home decor. Available in mixed colors, these flowers boast a lifelike appearance, thanks to their silk petals and sturdy plastic stems. The colors are vivid and won't fade over time, ensuring they remain a staple in your decor collection for years to come. One of the best things about these marigolds is their versatility. You can use them to create stunning DIY projects like garlands, centerpieces, or even floral arrangements for special occasions. They're easy to work with and add an instant pop of color wherever they're placed. Crafted from high-quality silk with plastic and iron wire stems, these flowers not only look realistic but also feel durable. They're designed to withstand handling and can be reused multiple times without losing their charm. Compared to other artificial flowers in the market, the Syhood marigold heads stand out for their realistic appearance and vibrant colors. They offer great value with 50 pieces per pack, making them a cost-effective choice for decorating large spaces. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your decor with a touch of elegance and color, the Syhood 50 Pcs Marigold flower heads are a fantastic choice. Whether it's for a party, wedding, or simply brightening up your living space, these artificial marigolds deliver on both quality and aesthetics. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.